Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to build your first Python project using Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code or don't know how to install it, I left you a link below for my other video on how to install Visual Studio Code. The procedure I'm going to use in this tutorial will work on all operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now let's start our tutorial by opening the terminal. Go to the desktop directory, cd desktop. Create a folder called PyProject, mk directory, PyProject. Make PyProject your current directory, cd PyProject. Now open Visual Studio Code by typing code dot. As you can see, Visual Studio Code opened on the PyProject directory. I'm going to move the welcome screen. Before writing the program, on the extensions, make sure you have installed the Python extension developed by Microsoft. This is very helpful to write and discover Python when you're typing Python projects on Visual Studio Code. Move the screen, come back to our PyProject directory. Now create a file called main.py. I'm going to write a simple program, def print message, print this is my first Python project. If name equal to main, print message. Very simple Python program. It only to help us to build our project for this tutorial. Save your work, go to run, and you can either start debugging or run without debugging. I'm going to choose run without debugging. As you can see, this is my first Python project. Now it's very important to note that in your system, you may have installed more than one Python, and Visual Studio Code helps you to decide which Python version you want to use or which Python you have installed on your system. So if you look at down the button here below, next to the reload button, I mean, in my case, I have reload button, you may not have it, but as you can see in here, you have the Python and Python version installed on my system. If you click on it, you're going to see Python 3.9.6 64-bit. Having said that, you may have many Python versions installed on your system, so you can choose from this list which one you're going to use. We can close that one. Okay, and this is it for everybody. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.